So here we tried just summarizing some examples for just highlighting what are the valid and invalid names. However, while I was explaining the code samples to you, I have already given you overview about what is supported, what is not supported, what is valid and what is invalid. Now let's quickly analyze this. The first valid name is let financial year equal to 2024 equal to 2024. Here, the variable name is financial year, which is following the camel case convention, where it consists of only letters that is supported. This first invalid name is let 123 company equals to invalid. Can you tell why it is invalid? Let me tell you this. We have already highlighted a reason, because this variable name starts with a digit. The second valid name is again a company name equals to Longswitch. That means it is having like the letters only and with the camel case. The second invalid name is let company dash name equals to invalid. Here, I believe now you are clear why it is invalid, because it includes an hyphen. Because as we have gone through the rules, only the underscore and dollar sign is supported as a special character while naming your variables. Here it has the hyphens, therefore it is invalid. The third valid variable name is underscore company is active equals to true. Why this is valid? Because it starts with a underscore, with an underscore. As we have gone through the rules, underscore your variable names can start with only letters, underscore or a dollar sign. Therefore, it is valid. The third invalid variable name is company space name equals to invalid. Because why this is invalid? Because we cannot have a space between the variable names, between the variable name. The fourth valid name is dollar company cost equals to 99.99. Why it is valid? Because a variable name can start with a dollar. Fourth invalid variable name is let if equals to invalid. Why it is invalid? Because it is using a reserved keyword named if as a variable name. Therefore, it is treated as invalid. The fifth valid variable name is let space cost is equal to 45. This is valid because it just has one word and it is on. It just includes letters. So that is valid. Why the fifth invalid name is invalid? Because it has an at the rate in its name, company at the rate name. As we have seen, only underscore and dollar are supported as special characters, nothing else. Here we have at the rate symbol, therefore it is invalid. So I hope this gives you a good idea about the general rules that we have to follow while naming our variables. What are the valid and invalid names? And most important thing, you must have got the idea why it is really important to have a valid naming convention strategy implemented throughout your program for the better understanding, readability, and consistency in your JavaScript programs. In case we have added a value in your knowledge in terms of JavaScript programming with our episode, do let us know in the comment section. Subscribe now for more regular updates. Thank you. Thank you for watching.